Propane.
By Caitlin Holsabus.
Annie Dale.
And Logan McCary.
The IUPAC name is just propane. The structural formula is C3H8. The chemical formula appears on the screen now. As you can see, there are 3 C's with the hydrogen coming off to complete it.
Propane is a saturated substance. Because propane is saturated, it is an alkaline.
Propane is also aliphatic.
On the screen now is a 3D image of propane's structure. Here are 5 properties. Propane does have a boiling point of negative 42.2 degrees Celsius and a melting point of negative 187.7 degrees Celsius. Propane is also a colorless gas as well as odorless. The molar mass is 44.10 grams per moles.
Fun fact, because of accidents with propane, people not knowing there were a gas in the air, they would add a smell. It smelled kind of like rotten eggs, so you are aware that there's propane present.
Propane was first identified as a volatile component of gasoline by Walter O. Snelling of the U.S. Bureau of Mines in 1910.
Propane is also produced by removing the butane from natural gas and adding a large amount of ethanol from raw. Some everyday uses are fuel, refrigerators, aerosol propellant, solvents, generators, grills, cars, pretty much anything that's not electric that you have to use to cook things with.
Propane is important because it runs things and keeps things that people are running. 8 billion gallons for residential/commercial and recreational usage is produced and gone through every year. 4 billion gallons are used for internal combustion engine usage a year.
Now you can sit there and say propane is dangerous and it's bad for the environment and causes deaths and stuff like that, but really it just comes down to you being safe with your using propane. That's why when people fill up your propane tanks, they have gloves on and they're trained to do it a certain way so there don't happen explosions or people get hurt or something like that. Because without propane, we really wouldn't function. I mean, how would you cook grills? You wouldn't have a grill taste for anything. So you just have to learn to do it properly. I mean, then everything should go smooth, then there's no issue for propane. And it's not like it's always exploding every 4 seconds or something in the United States, so therefore it's not really harming the environment. So I think propane has a good usage, and I think you should too.